not alone in feeling overwhelmed, disconnected, or emotionally drained. This chakra meditation is your safe space to release what's heavy and come back home to yourself. We'll walk through each energy center, from your root to your crown, and I'll guide you with real-life affirmations and breathwork to help you shift instantly. Feel your seat and the ground beneath you. Breathe into your base and say aloud or in your mind, I am safe. I am supported. I trust the process of life. Imagine red light glowing at the base of your spine and let it expand. Place one hand over your lower belly and repeat, I honor my feelings. I allow pressure, creativity, and ease. And let the orange light swirl gently with each breath. And now breathe deep into your upper belly and repeat, I am strong. I take aligned action. I stand in my truth. And see a golden light burning like a flame inside of you. And now bring both hands to your heart and repeat, I am love. I give and receive with grace. I forgive and expand. And now envision emerald green light gently opening you. And now relax your throat and your jaw and repeat, I speak my truth. I express myself with clarity and love. And feel the blue light vibrating gently at your throat. Now gently place your focus between your brows and repeat, I see clearly. My intuition guides me. I trust the unseen. Imagine an indigo light spiraling and unlocking your vision. Imagine a white light pouring through the top of your head and repeat, I am one with the universe. I am light. I am infinite. And now let that light fill your whole body. you have just realigned your energy from root to crown. Let this feeling stay with you as you face the day. And if this brought you peace, subscribe now and stay connected for more healing and soul talk too.